Alright, we are here at Clements High School and we got some news about this elevator here. I want to show you something once we reach the second floor. Here we go, listen to this elevator. And it's having a hard time focusing. Whoa! This thing's low on oil! Oh my... Diesel DC! This is low on oil! Man! This is one of the loudest elevators I've ever heard. These are your fixtures, a GAL, ADA phone. Now I'm going to send this up to 2 and let you listen to the machine room. There goes that elevator. Oh, hey Chloe. Alright, you ready? Here it goes. Whoa! Oh, Diesel DC! It just did it again.
Is it honking?
It's low on oil, Chloe. The elevator's low on oil. No, it's the elevator. Alright, there it goes. Alex, my friend, that elevator is just as worse than the one at Forever 21 at Baybrook Mall. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. And that's the low on oil elevator at Clements High School.